outdoors with Makita's cordless outdoor power equipment. Makita's battery-powered outdoor power equipment eliminates the hassles of gas with reduced maintenance, less noise, and zero emissions. The couple shaft system offers a powerful brushless motor with a variable speed trigger that works with a variety of attachments with instant power. The unique lever-style lock system requires no tools for quick and easy installation and compatible with 14 attachments. The complete couple shaft system handles all of your jobs from trimming to cutting to cleanup and much more. The blower reaches speeds up to 146 miles per hour. Also available, the 36-volt couple shaft for even more power. The couple shaft system offers ultimate versatility to get the job done. With the world's largest professional cordless outdoor power equipment system, you can rule the outdoors. One system, endless possibilities.